this balloon is filled with hydrogen gas. Hydrogen has to find the oxygen in the air. But there will be a fireball. When you pull this back, it creates a space and the air comes out. Watch Ms. Bruner's hair. Think about pouring water into a bowl. And the water would go up and up and up. Carbon dioxide doesn't support combustion. All right, watch the flame.